Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open a global currency account on OFX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, you just have to open up your web browser, search in OFX and go to their official website. Once you're over here, directly you will find this option of sign up now. Go ahead, tap on the sign up now option. Then you will find this option, personal or business. We're going to create a personal account, so I'm going to choose personal, but if you want to create business, you can choose that as well. Then go ahead, choose your country that you live in, so you can search it up as well, and then you're going to add in your email. Once you add in the email, then you can tap on next. So once you've added the email and confirmed it, go ahead, scroll and tap on the next. Now you're going to choose the currency. Let's choose, I'm choosing random ones, and you're going to enter the amount per year, transfer per year, and tap on done. Now go ahead, enter the title if you would prefer. Enter the title, and then add in your legal name, which is in your government ID. Add in your middle name if you have, add your last name, date of birth, and the number for you to verify, and the country you live in, and then your home address. Simply provide all of the information, and you also have to set up your account, including creating password, security question. And once you're done, tap on submit, and then your account will be created. That is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.